Previously on the attack of the gear knob. Oh crap. I gotta hide in here in this closet. That gear knob is gonna kill me. I'm gonna hide in here in this closet. Wait a minute. Do you hear that? There's something growling out here. Oh no. Oh. Oh shoot. Ah. And now for the conclusion. Uh, oh, oh crap. Uh, what the hell? Oh, ow. Oh, what happened? What just happened? Why am I on the floor? Oh, oh, that gear knob, it got me. I don't know what happened, but last last I knew, I was hiding in the closet, and that gear knob just came out of nowhere and grabbed me. I was hearing these growling noises, and it must have not choked me out. Oh, oh, I'm sore. Oh, oh no. Is that gear knob still in this house? I hope not. Oh. Oh shoot, I gotta get up. In case that gear knob comes back. Oh, 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 oh. Ooh, I don't know what happened. That gear knob might be still in this house. I don't know. Gotta do something with that knob. It's cursed. I gotta find it. I don't know where it's at. That gear knob might be still in here. Whoa, whoa, whoa. What is that? Oh, shoot. Sound like just something just broke in here or something. Crap. Whoa. What was that? Oh, shoot. There's some things flying around. I'm gonna find that gear knob when I get my hands on it. I'm gonna have to teach that gear knob some manners, a lesson. shoot. Where are you, you little turd? Oh. Ah! Something just hit me. That gear knob is throwing things at me. Crap. Oh, crap. I'm gonna find that gear knob. Throw things at me. It's on. I'm gonna have to stand up to that gear knob. I'm gonna have to give it a whooping when I find it. Oh. There it is. Oh. See if I can grab this thing. Oop. Get back here. Gear knob won't stay still. I can't grab it. Oh, damn it. Stay still. Oh. Oh, shoot. Ah! Gonna bust you up. Oh, this sucker is tough. This ain't no joke. Get off of me. That gear knob, it's pissing me off. I'm gonna knock you out. Oh! Ah, went under the bed. Oh crap, it's under the bed. Oh shoot. Do you hear that? That gear knob is under the bed right now. Hear those growling noises? Oh shoot. What is that? Oh, can't see. Oh no. Please, I don't want any trouble. Get off of me. I gotta get out of here. That gear knob is crazy. That gear knob didn't follow me out here. You better get out of my house. I'm not playing anymore. Aha. There you are. You want to tussle? Try to attack me? It's time to make a stand. I'm gonna have to fight that gear knob. I'm gonna have to teach it a lesson. Give it a whooping. What do you think? Ooh, it's on like Donkey Kong. It's on. I'm gonna bust that gear knob up. Big CGI fight coming up. Some of this. Oh, that gear knob is dangerous. Oh, I'm bleeding. Oh, that was horrible. That gear knob, it gave me a good walloping. It gave me a whooping. Oh, 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 that sucked. Where's that gear knob? I ain't done with it yet. I ain't done with that gear knob yet. That knob is pissing me off. Where is it? I'll give it a busting yet. I don't know where that gear knob went. I must have scared it off. Taught that gear knob a lesson in manners, let me tell you. There it is. Going for another round. knob is too tough. This ain't no joke. Ah. Oh no. Ouch.